gosh. What is this? Oh my gosh. It's called a torpedo soda bottle. Fully intact. Thank you. Look at the bubbles. Beautiful blob top. Just beautiful colors. Wow. Oh my gosh. I think I see a second one. Oh no. Are you kidding me? What the? Oh my goodness. Those look like old steel wheels of some kind off of an old cart. This could have easily been some type of a cart. There's the other end of it with the wheels on it. Well, as you can see, the universe has truly blessed the swamp rat. Started out on a little stick hunt today and ended up with some historic artifacts. The bottles I found, saw tons of nature. I couldn't ask for a better morning.